Hi, this is Neethu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today, my topic is Evaluation and Progressing of Internet of Things. In the beginning of the IoT, the connecting device can be tracked back to the early days of the computing. In 1982, Carnegie Mellon University developed the first internet connected application. And the second, networking and the protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is a types of rules, a set of rules. In the 90s, Internet of Things was coined by Kevin, a pioneer RFID technology, ART technology. The groundwork of IoT was advertisement in the networking and the development of the protocol that could facilitate communication between the devices. And the second one is initial adaptation. In the year of 2000s, emergency of the standards. Early 2000s saw the formalization of IoT Connect with the development of the key standard and the framework. The development of REPT technology, wireless sensor network, and the early M2M. M2M means machine to machine language. In IoT ecosystem, the 2010s marked significant growth in IoT adaptation. Cloud computing, big data analytics, and mobile technologies, companies like Nest. Standard and protocols. The need for interoperability lead to the development of various stands for framework such as Zigbee Alliance, Thread Group, and the creation of the IoT. Genesis of IoT. Cyber physical system. The concept of the cyber physical system were digital and the physical process. Early effort. During the early 2000s, various standards and protocol were developed to facilitate communication between the devices. Broad adaptation. Consumer and the industrial IoT. The 2010s saw the significant expanse of both consumer and the industrial IoT application. IoT ecosystem. The development of the cloud computing, big data analytics, and the adopted networking technologies contribute to the growth of the IoT ecosystem. Computing and the networking. The idea of the connecting device and the system as early computing and the connect. Digitization, enabling techniques, IoT architecture. It have three types: data conversion, process, digital communication. Data conversion, transforming analog data into digital that can be processed by computer. Process and automation, utilizing digital technologies to automate manual processing, leading to increased efficiency and accuracy. Digital communication, implementing digital tools and platform for communication and the collaboration. Enabling technologies, cloud computing, big data analytics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and the blockchain. IoT architecture. IoT architecture is a four-stage of architecture, that is device and sensor, connectivity, edge computing, and the data processing and the storage. And what is data and the device and the sensor? There are the endpoint to collect data from the physical world, like a temperature, camera, GPS videos. Connectivity. Connectivity means IoT device need to communicate with each other and with a central system. Example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and the cellular network. Edge computing means involves processing data closer to where it is generated rather than sending all the data centralized cloud server. What is data processing? To store the data, collect the data is processed and stored either the server in the cloud or a combination of both. One M2M IoT world form. M2M means machine to machine. Is a global standard invitation for machine to machine and IoT technologies. Key features: centralization, architecture, and the modules. One M2M define a common architecture and the set of protocol for IoT communication. Architecture: the M2M architecture include the layer of the application. Modules means the key modules in one M2M architecture. IoT world form. It is the application domain and the computing domain provides storage, and the network domain ensure the efficient protocol, and the edge computing process the data locally, and the physical device and the control domain compress sensor, activator, and the embedded system. IoT world form is about two types: open connectivity and the all join. IoT WF It means IoT, Internet of Things world form. Explore the vast landscape of the Internet of the Things by focusing on various vertical and the domain leverage IoT technologies. In the smart cities, utilize IoT applications such as smart lighting, traffic, and parking management systems. And the alternative IoT models contain four stages: core computing, edge computing. Thank you. சொல்லு ரதீஷ். ஹலோ, சொல்லு ரதீஷ். ஆமாண்டா, உன்னோட மார்க் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எதுவும் கொடுக்கலையாமா 12th? டேய், அதை நாளைக்கு கொண்டு வந்து கொடுத்துருடா. சரிடா.